Hello guys, today we have started from Bardubai area. We are going Jabal Jazz. We are going to do two activities there. We are going to do a overnight camping and we are also planning to have that roller coaster ride which is there in the Jabal Jazz. So stay tuned with us in this video to know how's our experience and would you also like and prefer to go this place or not. Guys, just for your knowledge, this place is 157 km away from Dubai and it takes around just like 2 hours, 2 hours 15 minutes approximately. And both the side, you will see big rock mountain and it's very scenic and very nice. The drive is very nice. So guys, today we are also going to experience the Jazz ladder. This is approximately 50 dirham for per person, and if you take it in a family, I think you get some further 10% or 15% discount in the ticket. And this is open entire week, only it's closed on Monday, and the timing from 11 a.m. till 6 p.m. it is open, but after 6 p.m. they close. So do experience that also, because we are also going to experience that today, and we will also share our experience with you in this video. So guys, now we are heading upward. Our climb has started. The reason car feels slow is because because of this high inclination. If I would like to share that from the sea level right now we are 1933 meter up. So, and we are about to reach also in some time to give you the amazing view from the top. So stay tuned. So guys, we reached Jabal Jazz and we are already done with our activity. As I mentioned earlier that the prices for per person ticket is 50 dirham. The car parking is available just opposite to this place, so you can just park your car, walk other side of the road and go and either take a ticket from their counter itself or you can book it online before reaching to this place. So either way you can choose and you can do. It was a fun activity and it was I must recommend that. Yeah, it's a good to do activity and it's nice. You can control the speed as you wanted, as I have also captured one video for you. So it's like if you want to go slow you can go slow, if you want to go fast you can go fast, and it's easy, so you must try. Guys, for the Jazz ladder for this ride you might have to check because in the summer time it will be closed, so just check in the internet before coming if you're coming just for specifically for this ride. So check and then come. And the preferred time for the Jabal Jazz, I would recommend if you come during the period of October to April, because during this period the weather is very pleasant. Very amazing place, and today is 27th April 2024, so it's very pleasant. Right now the temperature is 21 and I believe it's gonna go up to 17 degrees. So if you guys are planning to have a camping, you can definitely plan and come here. Look at the scenic, it's so beautiful. We just got a spot near to this beautiful amazing view, and we have of course got everything. Right now I am just making tea to have tea, and after that of course we will do some barbecue. I have got everything here. So yeah, if you want to plan you can definitely plan. It's a very good place, I liked it. There is a toilet which is there available, so you can, and there are 2-3 places nearby where you can do the campaigning. It's allowed, it's absolutely free. You don't need to pay anything. You can carry your stuff from home, you can park your car, and you can enjoy the view and have your evening thing. Thank you for watching our video. If you like, please don't forget to subscribe and comment. Thank you.